Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Space PCB puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Andy Gilker from Canada. Difficulty level of the Space PCB puzzle is 8 out of 10, and the goal of it is to maneuver the lights to match the challenges. It's hard to understand right now, but I'll explain. At the end, when you solve the puzzle, you will find that there is a lid right here on the back side. It will open and you will find a small surprise inside. So now to the puzzle. There is a switch right here. It says off on. You turn it on and this is the electronic puzzle. It works on 2 regular batteries, and batteries are enough for 16 hours of playtime. There is another switch here. Now it is on level 1 and it shows green light. When you switch it to 2, it will be yellow light, and on 3 it will be green light. These are difficulty levels, so this puzzle has 3 difficulty levels. There is also a solution button. If you hit it, you will see the lights on some of the planets. The puzzle, the board has 3 solar systems, and the lights will be on all 3 solar systems. There is a solution button which shows you the end result, and you have to put the lights in the spots like you see in the solution. Now when you start playing, you just hit add light and you have a red light. It always gives you a random light, random color, red, green or blue. Now when you move the red light, you will find that it's supposed to be either here, here or here. And to move it, you have to move your finger in the middle of the solar system. There are like 3 metal parts here. When you rotate the light, it rotates around the solar system, and there are intersections with other solar systems. That's where you can move the light from one part to another. If there is a light that you don't need, since you can add more lights than you need, like for example now we have 2 blue lights and in solution we have only 1 blue light, you can navigate the blue lights to this solar system, and there is a black hole here. It burns the stars. As you can see, it burns very bright and disappears. And by adding lights and moving them around, you have to match the solution, and that will be the goal of the puzzle. If you are done with level 1 and you want something a little bit harder, put the switch to level 2 and you will see that now we have more lights. Before we had only 6, now we have 9 lights. If you move the switch to level 3, you will have even more lights. Now we have 13 lights, so each level is more difficult. And all levels are random and all levels are different each time you turn the puzzle on. Right now, level 1 shows stars 3 green, 2 red, 1 blue, and they are in these spots. If you turn off the puzzle, turn it on again, put it on level 1, you will find that now we have 4 blue, 2 green, and they're in other spots again. So the solution is always random, and you don't play the same game again and again. So it will be a puzzle that you can actually enjoy. Every time you turn it on, you will have different solution and a new challenge. So it's a great puzzle and quite a new and interesting concept. If you like the Space PCB puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.